Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create multi-voice dialogue in ElevenLabs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first is head over to ElevenLabs.io and sign into your account. Then from here, you want to click on the text to speech. Then put in some text here, and then we can see there is no option to add another speaker here because that all depends what model we're using. So click onto model, and we need to make sure we're using 11 volume 3. The most expressive model supports 7 languages and requires more prompt engineering than our previous model. But once we go ahead and select that model, you can see here we've got the option to add another speaker. So we can change that speaker by putting in some text here, and we can change who that speaker is. So you can click on the name and go ahead and find that speaker. I might go ahead and use Adam for this, and then that's going to change to Adam, and then go ahead and put in your text and just keep doing that down the page here and have a conversation with someone else. And also we can go ahead and obviously change Liam here to another name as well, and I'm pretty certain you can add more speakers. So if I go ahead and say add a speaker, let's see if I can go ahead and yep, so there we got Liam, Adam, Jane. You can have as many different speakers as you want, I reckon, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know in the comments below how many speakers you can have in this. I haven't played around with this option too much, but I know that this is the best way how to add different speakers and create that multi-voice dialogue inside of ElevenLabs.